comes a time when we hit a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can't go on pretending day by day
that someone somehow will soon make a change.
We are all a part of God's great big family, and it's true, you know, love is all we need. We are the ones, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, oh, so they know that someone cares,
so their cries for help will not be in vain.
we can't let them suffer. No, we cannot turn away.
Right now, they need a helping hand. No someone lie. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives.
It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
When you're down and out, and there seems no hope at all.
But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall.
Well, let us realize, oh, that change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are
The earthquake is really a sad melody, but nothing can take our audacity away. John Edward Connor's "Do not lose hope." Right. Hope in the face of uncertainty. Hope in the face of difficulty. That's what we exactly needed, because it's a kind of belief in things never seen, and it's also a kind of belief that there were better days ahead. After all, this is only my opinion. So what do you reckon? Well, I'm sure that someone else is also talking about that. Well, let's see.
What an awful day.
Hey, Alan, take it easy, but why that?
We had a shock-proof rehearsal and the thing is just fishing in the air.
Oh my goodness, you wasn't serious, am I right?
Sort of. I just walked all the way from my classroom to the playground.
Well, I should tell you something today.
Oh no.
Haven't you heard of the earthquake in Haiti? It took away many people's lives all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's really shocking.
And there were almost earthquakes everywhere, and it seems to be a global disaster.
But it isn't under people's prediction or control. Even the science and technology is highly developed.
It's true that we are like fish out of water in front of the earthquake, but
If it is so, what are you going to say then?
we still got hopes. Here are some ways to keep our lives in the highest degree until people fish you out.
Well, let's take a listen.
First, you should be patient. Actually, you have 12 seconds to save yourself. If you live in a single-story room, get out of the room and go to the safety as quickly as possible, because the aftershock will come soon. If you live in a building, don't worry. You can stay under chairs or beds to save yourself from the falling roof. When you are in the countryside, stay away from the hills, rivers, and buildings. When you are in ruins, try to find food and water. You should save your physical power until people save you out. Have you catch what they're talking about just now? If you think that they're talking about earthquake as well as fish, then you're wrong. So let's look at these phrases. Number 1, fish out of water. Can you imagine a fish live out of water? That was completely impossible. So if you're saying someone is like fish out of water, that means he or she didn't fit the environment very well. Number 2, fish in the air. Fish in the air. In this phrases, fish is used as a verb. That means catching fish. If you're saying doing something is like fishing in the air, so that means doing something is a total waste because everybody knows you can't catch a fish in the open air. Number 3, fish out. Fish out. In this phrases, fish is also used as a verb. If you say you fish out today, the first of all means that you catch all the fish. Or it can also explain the meaning of search or find something, especially in the bad sites. And so even we are facing the difficulties of today and tomorrow, we still have to got hopes and still have to got optimism in order to get the full energy to start working again, to work for our future, to create a new life. Have you ever imagined if we're all in this together, we all work from today on from where we are, then we're able to see a better future, a rosy future, a brighter future. A future that we thought we never had before. The truth is, let's work from now on from where we are and keep the thanks. Now here's to tomorrow, up to you.
Watch it multiply, feeling like the world's end. We can make the world win, like Katrina, Africa, Indonesia, and now Haiti needs us. They need us. They need us. We are the children. To make a better day, so let's start giving. There's a choice. IT.